today I'm going to be making a quick snack. It's really easy. I made it up myself. And it's about it would only take you 5 minutes to make it at home. I'm gonna go a little slower so you guys know what to do for this video. Okay, so first you're just gonna start with any bowl you want, because you can make it for however many people you want. For me, I'm just making it for myself and my little sister, so just this little bowl will be good. You're gonna need just a normal spoon and a normal fork for this. Okay, and now the first ingredient is we're gonna add some rolled oats. You can see that. And they're just plain, So we're just gonna pour however much you want. There's no measurements. There's no measurements, just whatever you want. That's probably actually too much, but whatever. Okay, next we're gonna add the chocolate chips. You can add as much chocolate as you want. This whole recipe, you just add as much as you want. It's whatever you like more, add more. For me, I'm gonna add that much chocolate. Should be enough. That much chocolate chips should be enough. Then my hands are clean, so stir it around. Next, you're gonna add the marshmallows. For me, you can use white marshmallows, but I have the colored marshmallows, so I'm gonna use those. Tastes good. There's a little different flavor to the colored marshmallows, but it still tastes good. So you just add a few handfuls. You need enough so that all the stuff will stick together. And okay, that's it. Well, now we're gonna stir it, just stir it around, We're gonna put it in this mixture in the microwave for, I put it in for exactly 1 minute. And so yeah. So I'm just putting the mixture into the microwave just for 1 minute. Okay, now it's done, so I'm gonna take it out of the microwave. I'm gonna use this, just a towel, because it's pretty hot, the bowl. So now it should look like this. The marshmallows will be a little bigger, and the chocolate chips are melted. There's still gonna be they're still gonna be in their shape. Now, that bowl's still a little hot. We're gonna use our fork and we're gonna stir it around. Just a little. And now we're gonna add some brown sugar. We don't cook the brown sugar because it will burn in the microwave.
I learned that.
I made it one time and, well, you know. it burned. Next, we're gonna add some cinnamon. Just normal cinnamon that you would buy at any grocery store. So we're gonna add some of that, however much you like, it doesn't matter. You can add as much as you want. So that's what it's gonna look like. Now, we're gonna stir it up. It's very difficult to stir, that's why I have the spoon too. Right now it doesn't look very chocolatey, but after stirring it for a bit, it will start. You're just gonna crush it down like this. Sometimes what would help is add just the tiniest drop of milk, but not too much, just like an actual size of a marshmallow drop. Now, I may have not put enough chocolate chips in. So I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to this. Not too much because then it will go soggy. That's all you need. That's it.
How much did you put?
I'm making a mess. Now, I don't think I added enough chocolate to this mixture. So, hopefully, if I put it in the microwave,
Does I have chocolate chip?
I'm gonna put this in the microwave. The brown sugar hopefully will not burn. So while that's in the microwave, I'll just repeat the ingredients that I added. So you're gonna take the rolled oats, you put them in a bowl, then you add your chocolate chips, then you're gonna add your marshmallows, and you're gonna put all that in the bowl, mix it together, and you're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Then, when it comes out, you stir it around, like I showed you. You're gonna add a drop of milk, just enough. You don't have to add milk. I wouldn't worry about that. Then, when it's out of the microwave, you add your brown sugar and your cinnamon, and you stir it all together, and you keep crushing and crushing until it all turns chocolate. And yeah.
I'm looking this clean.
I added some more chocolate, so hopefully that.
I
Hopefully,
like this.
my little sister just licked a fork, so I have to get a new one.
Wow. It's so yummy.
And of course, all the forks are dirty, so I'm gonna go to the spoon, which you could use anyway. And now I'm gonna stir. I'm gonna stir this up. This is just like a nice after-school treat, you know. It's not the healthiest for you, because it's all chocolate, but I mean, it's all sugar. Well, the oats are good for you.
Marshmallow.
That's good. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just eating it. It's not like it's a show. It's more for the taste. So that's how it's gonna look. Now a good drink to go with it is probably gonna be milk. Now we have our little snack, after school snack. And our milk. If I wasn't recording, that only would take me about 5 minutes to make.
I'm a unicorn.
Okay, you can taste it now. You just pick up pieces with your spoon. Is it yummy? Oh, where'd you go? There you go. Your hair is a mess. It's not like, it's just little pieces. You can eat it just with a spoon. If you want to, there's also, you could, I've tried it before, it somewhat works. You make this mixture, but you put it in a ball, kind of like scrunch it up in a ball. And then you put them on a tray and you put them in the fridge for, I don't know, like 20 minutes or something. And then that's a good snack too, or in the freezer would be good too. And that's after school 5-minute snack. Unless you're freezing it.
Unicorn.
We're almost done our snack. I forgot to say, if you wanted to, I don't have any right now, but if you want to, you can add coconut to it. Like little, when it's shredded up, you can add coconut to it and you can buy that at the store and it's really good. Right?
Unicorn donut.